We're going to be starting a new unit called Design and Animation, and we're going to be using a online software platform called Wic Editor. Let's go ahead and head into Schoology. You're going to see this Design and Animation folder is now available, and you will see the Wic Editor getting started. The Wic Editor is a free open source web-based tool designed to combine digital illustration, animation, and programming to easily create interactive projects. So what you're going to do is this link right here. This will actually take you to the Wic Editor itself. I'll open that here in a second. And what you're going to do today is you're going to click on this link here. You can also click on this image. Both of them will take you to a brief video, and this will kind of be our process for the next few days. You're going to be taking a look at getting started with animation. So the guy that actually built this Wic Editor, he goes through a few tutorial videos and will show you how to get started. And in this case, you're going to create a basic animation and navigate the timeline interface, take a look at onion skinning, take a look at just simply creating an animation. A bouncing ball, given a few slides. I also want to show you inside of the Wic Editor, what's going to happen is it's smart enough to know that you had a previously a file that was loaded. And so what you're going to see is when I load the Wic Editor, it's going to ask me if I want to load the previous project, and I will do that. I'm also going to show you down here how to save your work and then obviously opening that project back up. So Wic Editor is smart enough to kind of know what you were working on before, but just in case, you may want to save your work and open up the next day if you're starting to work on a project. And then what you're going to be doing is playing with a purpose, and I use that a lot in class, basically to have some idea in mind, something that you want to create, and then start to work with that. So I don't have a specific project right now that you guys are actually going to be working on. I just want you to work on something that might be of interest to you. So if you want to start to create a basic animation, if you really want to start to create something that's a little bit more complex, that's fine. I just simply want you to explore with some sort of purpose of trying to accomplish something. And we're going to go ahead and load the Wic Editor here from this link. And I haven't put a lot of tutorial videos together, and the reason why is this. Wic Editor is new and it's constantly evolving, and so you're going to see new changes. This down here even looks a little bit different than what you're going to see in the tutorial videos that were made about a year ago. So when the tutorials were made, they were in Editor 1.0. They're now in 0.19.3. So this is constantly evolving and constantly changing. So there's not a lot of tutorials out there because it's something that's constantly moving. So you're just going to go ahead and click on Try It, and you'll see right here, if I want to load what I had previously started to create, I could go ahead and load that. It's just simply going to load a square in the background. I'm going to do that. Otherwise, if I just hit delete, it's just going to open me with this blank canvas. I'm just going to go ahead and hit load, and you'll see that I just simply have an element that I've designed or had put in there. I'm just going to delete that to start with. So here is the Wic interface. If I wanted to, I can come up top here and I can click on Save. I'm automatically going to get a window that's going to pop up. You guys, it'll automatically try to save to your downloads, or you can save it to your drive. And if you're creating something that you want to save and you want to make sure that it's saved, you would want to save this at the end of every day, and then you'd have to open it up the next day if it doesn't automatically load, or if you accidentally hit delete when you first open Wic Editor, it would automatically start with a blank canvas, and there's no way to get that previous project back. So what you guys are going to do today is you're going to go ahead and click on this click here. It's going to take you to the YouTube channel.
Hi everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to make
for the Wic Editor. And again, what you're going to be doing today is just simply taking some time to play with a purpose, just start to explore the interface, start to see what it does, and you'll see in this video what they're going to do. is you'll actually create an animation of kind of a bouncing ball of multiple frames. So have fun, enjoy. Hopefully you enjoy using this new online software platform called Wic Editor.